Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how we can set up alarm clock. So at the first you have to go for the menu and then go for the clock. And right now we got the alarm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can set the alarm 1, so click to choose. You can turn it on and it will be set up on the 9 o'clock, but you can change it. Click edit. Here you can change your hours, so for example you can go for the 7 o'clock. Repeat days, we can say, repeat, we can also change it by clicking here for a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. So we can mark every day, so it will be for the whole week. Then click done to confirm. As you can see right now it's set up on the every day. You can also rename that alarm. So we can type here wake up. And when you scroll down, we have to right now we have to click save to confirm, and also we have to go for edit and art time, and we can change our alarm tone. So we have to click left button to change. So we can go for the standard, radio or ringtone. I'm going to take it from the standard. So if you want to save, just click on the middle button, and as you can see there it is, our clock setup. If you want to turn it off, just click here. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.